just gonna send it. Wow. Dude.
Click over to budgetvapors.com to get some of my most favorite flavors in the entire industry for 15% off using my promo code GabeSentya. When you use my promo code over on Budget Vapors, you can get 120 milliliters of premium e-liquid for just $8.49. Also available on budgetvapors.com is my juice line. The Light Designs liquid line is available in 60 and 120 milliliter bottles. Both my juice line and the many delicious Budget Vapors flavors are developed in a high quality lab down in Florida. When you pick up my juice line or use my promo code, it really helps keep the Light Designs program going, so thank you all so much for helping support the channel. I really appreciate it.
The Tau 250. Once again, I'm gonna put my phone all the way in like a zip pocket because I'm concerned that I'm about to get very wet. Alright, so this bike absolutely sucks in the mud, mainly because of these tires. Dude, I'm just going for it. Frick it. Dude, we're going. Oh my gosh! Oh, I'm soaked. Keep going, keep going. How did I get over here? No, I'm not even on the trail. Damn it. No. Oh, this is insane. I'm not even on the trail. I'm just out here. Keep going. There we go. Oh, wow. I can't believe I just made that. Hell yeah. Dude, what the heck? Dude, I can't believe I just made it through that. Damn. I am very wet. I am the essence of wet. I really gotta I should downshift, but I'm not going to. That was sick. I lost my momentum there. Alright, so this is a pretty hardcore trail from what I remember. Ow! It's not as bad as the one that Cedric and I ride over in Vermont, at least from what I have seen, but there's a lot of kind of technical stuff. I'm going too fast for this bike. I've been riding been riding really fast bikes all week, so I'm kind of riding this thing a little bit too aggressively right now. I'm gonna dial it back a little bit, and I'm gonna take off my goggles because it is hot. It's really muggy and hot today. Pretty serious shale. I saw a deer right here the last time I did this trail, and I turned around because it was like the evening time, and I could see that the deer was getting ready for bed, and I didn't want to upset it and its family. So I don't really know where this goes. I haven't gone any further than this. So hopefully we don't get stuck. I have no idea how we're even going to get out, or what we're going to face. Wow, that's cool. Hopefully there's none of those friggin' Northwoods idiot guys in the TV show. Oh, this is deep. Okay. Getting a little thick. Dude, I'm out here. Oh no, look at that pond. Oh no, I wish there was a way. I wish there was a way around this. I don't want to go through that. Dude, I really don't want to go through that. Is there anything to is there anything for me to gain going through that? Content? Wow. Okay, I need to turn around. No, I gotta do it again. Okay. Turn my little self around. Oh. This is where I get all the ticks and the poison ivy. Alright. Let's go. Oh, I'm soaked. I am soaked. Dude. I am soaked. Totally worth it. Kind of, not really. Oh, I forgot about this spot. Alright, I'm in first. Good. Alright, let's just do it. I gotta go through that mud again on the way back. Now that I'm already soaked, I'm kind of excited about it. Take the harder way. This is good. I'm going too fast. I keep going too fast for what I want to push the bike. I really don't want to push it, you know. It's a bike I'm selling, so I try and baby it. I was tempted to keep this bike, I really was, but I don't know. I'm still kind of tempted to keep it, but I really kind of need to sell it. If I was gonna keep this for myself, I think I'd push it a lot harder, but I'm not going to, I don't think. My plate's still on, my plate is still on. The plate likes to fall off. liked how muddy I just got, actually. I'm not gonna lie. It sucks that my shoes are wet because I want to skate today, and these are my skate shoes. But it was cool getting like really muddy through some hardcore stuff. No, did I go the wrong way again? No, I didn't. We're good. Alright, let's, I'm not going through the middle. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not that ambitious. Dude, this is insane. I can't believe I went through this. Alright. Here we go, I guess. Send it. I'm just gonna send it. Wow. Dude. Look at how much water is in my shoes. No. Okay, here's this one. Dude, that's hilarious. Sorry, socks. I think you guys are staying here next to these random underwear that are on the side of the road. Your boy is sockless. Okay. Dude, sick. Not in California. I am not in California. I went to cut all this traffic, but I'm not in California, unfortunately.